In a prior video, I showed you guys how to do these taillights with their bulb swaps and whatnot. I actually overlooked that one, and that I only realized because I found the LEDs for it. So it's pretty simple. I'll show you how it works, and just in case there's any little tricky surprises, at least you'll know ahead of time too. It's a third brake light. Looks pretty simple from the inside. I'm going to do it from the passenger side. There are 2 Phillips head screws. Oh, that's really hard to see. Let me get the light. There's 2 screws, 2 Phillips heads. Just take them both out. Uh-oh, don't lose the screw. I'll find that later. Oh, easy. Just comes right out. No surprises. Twist the bulb, comes right out. There it is. It's a wedge type. So I forget if I bought the red one. I might have bought a red bulb, I don't know. Let me plug this guy in, just pulls out. Let's see if this bulb says what it is. 92T, it's an 18-watt bulb. So I'm gonna plug this in. Just goes back in there. I'm actually gonna see what color this bulb is, so you guys can see with me. I bought a white bulb. Okay, bought a white bulb. Plug it back in. It's a really tight area for all this, so you gotta get it back in there right. As you can see, there's not much room for your fingers to do much in here. All right, it's back in. Honestly, I think that the original bulb in there was pretty bright. I couldn't really tell the difference between this bulb and the LEDs I put in down below on the lower lights. But this way, at least switching out all the halogen bulbs to LEDs, there's a little bit less draw on my electrical current. Maybe the alternator has to work a little less hard. I don't know if that's helpful for me, but I like LEDs. This is what I'm doing. They're all LEDs now. Well, except for the turn signals, because I didn't want to mess with those. I didn't want them to hyper flash, because you know how when you take the load off the relay, they flash super fast. I always hated that. I have seen a product that you just it's a plug and play product. You just plug it in and it's supposed to take the load in and make your LEDs flash normal. I'll look into that. Maybe I'll get that one day. But for now, everything's good. All right, that's it for today. It was a short video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and you'll see me next time.